All right, here we go. This in 5 minutes or less. Well, today all three major indices jumped higher after a 3-day weekend, and the Dow and S&P made new record highs. So let's take a look at the indices to see what happens here. So right now here you see the Dow was up 1.1%, and yes, making a new record high. So the S&P also following suit here. So the S&P was up, what, 1.4%? There we go. Jeez. There we go. So again, 1.4%, also making new record high. And we have the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ also moving higher here, but as you can see, still ways away from a new record high. But we are getting there somewhere. So what happened? What is causing all of this? Well, first of all, let's take a look at last week's economic reports. And last week on Friday, markets were closed in observance of Good Friday. But the unemployment numbers were released and they came in much better than expected. So as you can see, last month, 916,000 new jobs were added, and the unemployment rate fell from 6.2%. Let's just remove this so that you can see it. So from 6.2% all the way down, here we go. There we go, to 6%. So this was good and was the best jobs report in 7 months. And then today we had more good news. So if you're fast forwarding to this week, we'll see what happens here. So today the ISM service manufacturing PMI was released and it jumped to 63.7. This is the highest jump since 1997. So it seems that the economy is recovering, and it is recovering quickly. And if you take a look at the FinWiz map here for the S&P 500, then we see that all of the stocks are in the green. The only ones that are down today were energy stocks, and energy stocks were down after OPEC said, the oil-producing, exporting countries, something like this. Anyhow, they say that they will allow oil production to rise, and this means more supply. And what does it mean? More supply means that crude oil prices are falling. So crude oil today down, as you can see here, 4.4%, and this was dragging down energy stocks. So what else? Talking about some individual stocks. Let's talk about Tesla. Here we go. Tesla is having a comeback, as you can see. I mean, Tesla went all the way down, bounced back, went down again, is now bouncing back today, up 4.3%. 4.4% after the company reported production and delivery figures that beat expectations. They had record deliveries. So that was great. What else was going on today? Well, if you look at the classical reopening plays, they worked out great today. Here we see Carnival Cruise Lines, and Carnival Cruise Lines was up 4.7%, and Norwegian Cruise Lines even higher. Norwegian Cruise Lines up 7.18%. So classic reopening plays. Also airlines were up today. And yahoo! AMC had a great day today. So AMC shares actually soared today, as you can see, 13.46% after a strong opening weekend of Godzilla versus King Kong. Anyhow, so what can we expect for the remainder of the week? Let's go back to the economic calendar here. And well, here's what I think. It will be the flavor of the day. You see, today traders were happy about good economic reports like the jobs report and the ISM PMI. So this was good. Tomorrow, traders might think differently because good economic reports could mean that the Fed is tightening its monetary policy, and that would send markets lower. And talking about the Fed, we have the Fed meeting minutes coming up on Wednesday, and then we have Fed Chair Powell speaking on Thursday at a forum. So I expect a volatile week ahead, and but keep in mind, always trade what you see and not what you think. Anyhow, this wraps up today's market update in 5 minutes or less. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next market update. Take care.